Welcome to Entertainment with Anas. In this video, we are going to tell you 25 interesting facts about Ryan Hurst. Ryan Hurst is known for his post-apocalyptic and horror settings roles. But how did he get into acting? Have you ever wondered what his first television series feature was or how he got into the industry? So here are 25 interesting facts about Ryan Hurst that will leave you wanting to know more. So let's start the video. Ryan Douglas Hurst is 44 years old and was born on June 19, 1976 in Santa Monica, California. He attended Santa Monica High School. Born in June, his zodiac sign is Gemini. Unlike the roles he commonly plays, a Gemini is smart, sharp, and speedy. He was born into a family of actors. His mother, Candace Kanicki, was an acting coach, and his father, actor Rick Hurst. Hurst converted to Sikhism and his Sikh name is Gobind Seva Singh. His acting career started at a young age with his recurring role in Saved by the Bell. The New Class, running from 1993 to 2000. His debut film appearance was in the 1997 post-apocalyptic movie The Postman. He played the character of Eddie March. From 1998 to 2002, he played roles in 3 war movies. He was in Saving Private Ryan in 1998, Rules of Engagement in 2000, and in 2002, he played Sergeant Ernie Savage in We Were Soldiers. In 2004, Hurst played Lump Hudson in the dark comedy The Lady Killers. This was when his career began to take off. Hurst married actress and producer Molly Coxon in May 2005 after having met her back in 1994. Hurst and Coxon set up the Fast Shoes production company together. Hurst is the president and CEO of Fast Shoes. In 2005, Hurst played Agent Jimmy McCloy in 13 episodes of the police drama series Wanted. From 2008 to 2012, Hurst played Harry O.P. Winston in Sons of Anarchy. He was in 54 episodes and this was a career highlight. Hurst was a recurring cast member for the first season of Sons of Anarchy, but he became a main cast member of the following seasons. Hurst became a fan favorite. In 2011, Hurst won his first award at the Satellite Award for Best Supporting Actor for his appearance in Sons of Anarchy. Hurst worked alongside Johnny Depp and Isla Fisher when he voiced the character Jedediah in the 2011 animated movie Rango. Hurst purchased a home for $1.71 million with his wife in April 2013. The 3,400 square foot property is located in Woodland Hills, California. From 2015 to 2017, Hurst played Chick Hogan in 15 episodes of the American horror drama television series Bates Motel. He appeared as Lil Foster Farrell in 26 episodes of the television series Outsiders from 2016 to 2017. Since 2019, Hurst has played the character of Beta in the famous television series The Walking Dead. He features in both seasons 9 and 10 until he met his end at the hands of Daryl Dixon, portrayed by Norman Reedus. He also briefly makes an appearance as Beta in Fear the Walking Dead in the episode Today and Tomorrow. Fans instantly spotted this and realized the masked villain was more than your average bad guy. In the 2020s release of Superman Man of Tomorrow, Hurst voiced bounty hunter Lobo. As of 2020, Hurst had a net worth of $4 million. In 2020, Hurst appeared in one episode of remake of American crime drama SWAT as Terry. The episode he featured in was Akitai Rashko. Hurst has one brother called Colin. They have appeared in photos online together with their father Rick. Hurst is 6 foot 4 inches or 193 cm in height and his eye color is blue. Hurst was born into the Hollywood scene and has pursued a career in the industry, following in his parents' footsteps. He started with small roles, but his hard work and dedication have allowed him to progress into main cast roles across television and film. Guys, we hope that you like our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel Entertainment with Anas and share this video with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.